What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. We're about to check first of all the 24 hours market performance. Then we will check our positions to see how good we are doing, bad, sideways, or however they are performing today. And also we'll also look on the price in a little more details. Again, you want to do that every day because it helps you to make decisions on your trades. Okay? But before we do that, let's answer these simple questions. How much do I need to retire? How many how many coins do I need to retire? Now, well, this question can be answered in different ways. The simple way is right now, when the bull run has kicked into the second gear, I don't think, unless you have a lot of money on the side to invest and to burn, then yeah, you can still make it. Understand? You understand? So, for me, if you ask me, right now is not the time for you to start looking on how many coins you need. Excuse me. Right now is not the time for you to start looking on how many coins you need to retire. It's not right now. That boat has sailed. Okay. Right now, for me, is for you to start looking at how many coins you need to put you in the bracket where you will have enough money, okay, enough money for the next bear market. That is what you're supposed to be looking at right now. Enough money for the next bear market. What I mean by that is that you invest. Once the bull run is sort of over, you have enough money to, do whatever you want to do, pay off your house, your car, or whatever, and still have enough to get into the bear market with more, capital to invest. I don't know if I'm making some sense right now, but that is what I would tell you guys. For you to be able to retire, you should have started investing during the last bear market. For example, we take Casper. Okay, for you to be able to retire, you are going to need at least 100,000 coins. Okay, 100,000 Casper coins. That's what you are going to need. Like I've said so many times, not financial advice. Anyways, I believe Casper will go to $10. So if you have 100,000 Casper at $10, that is $1,000,000. And with $1 million, yeah, you can retire easily. You put it to invest, put your $1 million to work for you. Maybe high yield stocks, maybe high yield cryptos, whatever you want to do. That way you stop working and the money just start working on its own. Let's take, for example, Quant. I've told you guys, Quant is something that is going to make you a lot of money. Minimum 100 of them. 100 Quants, guys. Staked the 100, like I've said. Like I've said, one and over and over and over again. The APY on Quant, staking 100 of them will give you anything between 60 to 100,000. You will see. That's one way to retire. Or, like I've said many times, when everything goes the way it's supposed to, Quant will be up there. Anything between $3,000 to $5,000. At $3,000, you have your extra $300,000 added to your money from Casper. You see that you can retire easily. Same thing goes with Jasmine. I've told you guys you need minimum at probably 100,000 Jasmine right now. 100,000 Jasmine at $1, that's 100,000. You add that to your Quant and your Casper, you have you more than enough to retire. But that boat, like I'm saying, that boat has already sailed. You can't do that right now. You can't. Therefore, now, what do? You need money. You need enough coins to make you enough money to get ready for the next bull run, not this one, because this one is already gone. So therefore, that's why I usually say you need minimum of 10,000 Casper. That's one minimum 10,000 Casper. Quant, yes, you can still DCA in, guys. Trust me, Quant has not even started yet, and it's giving people a lot of opportunity to pack your bags. Has not even started. The same goes to Jasmine. You can still get 100,000 Jasmine as quick as possible because we're still at 2 cents right now on the price. Do not sit here and listen to these guys telling you, yeah, you can be a millionaire by holding 10,000 Casper. That is not reasonable, and it's not even possible. I tell you that, me, who I am, a Casper man, I can tell you that right now. So guys, you really need to think about it. That's why I usually say it. You need to do your own research. Do your own research. Right now, 10,000 Casper would not be enough for you to retire, but it will be enough for you to get your foot ready for the next bull run. You understand? Because 10,000 Casper, let's be honest. Casper $10, that's 100,000. You can spend probably $20,000-$30,000 paying off your car. You're putting some money down for your house or whatever you want to do. Casper, if it goes to $10, when it retraces, it's not going to retrace like all these coins. I think Casper will probably retrace down to $5, $5 or $4, and that will be the bottom of Casper. So they can take off from there. If you have you extra, let's say $50,000, that is enough for you to buy in back in the bear market. Okay, you buy in the back of the bear market, and I'm telling you, the run after this, you're looking at Casper probably at $50 to $100. The run after this one. So yeah, that's the way you go with it. The same goes to Quant. Okay, Quant, if it goes to $5,000, this run probably when the price drops, will probably drop all the way down to, let's say, $1,000 or something like that. Okay, once it drops to $1,000 or maybe $700-$800, you have there probably $60,000-$70,000 to buy back in. Now yes, the run after this, yes, you can retire with that money. So you really need to think about it. Think about it. Right now, 10,000 Casper will not make you retire. Nah, 100 Quant will not be enough for you to retire, but will be enough for you to get that passive income. Okay, and for you to get that money, excuse me. And for you to get that money, you need to get your foot in for the next run. Okay, so I know I've said that a couple of times, but yeah, that's the whole plan of it. Do not listen to these guys telling you, yeah, 25,000 Casper will make you retire. Nah. Again, it also depends on where you live. Here in the United States, I don't think it's enough for that. But let's just say if you live in a country where your $10,000 is somebody's yearly salary, yeah, maybe that will help. Maybe that will help you retire. But again, if somebody's yearly salary is $10,000, that opens up the question: how much do they have to invest right now? I imagine also it's gonna be way low. So yeah, you have to think about all those stuff. You have to think about it, and you have to get ready for the next bear market. The way to do it, like I said, right now, get 10,000 Casper. That way, when the bull run is over with, you do the things you want to do, and you still have those 10,000 Caspers will also provide you with enough money for the next run. I don't know if I'm making sense, but that is what I will do. Okay, for full transparency, yeah, I hold me Casper, has my Maxi, I hold Jasmine, and I hold Quant. And I tell you guys every day, go back, look at my videos, and you will see my portfolio is an open book. Okay, so anyways, now that being said, let's go back into what we usually do every day. Okay, because a lot of people are saying that, oh, I missed the boat, oh, I couldn't do this, I couldn't open a position, I couldn't open a trade. The market is giving you that opportunity. Again, like I usually say, in every trade setup, there is a before the trade There is a during trade, excuse me. There is a before the trade, there is a during the trade, and there is an after the trade. So you have to look at those stuff. Okay, those of you who are trading based on resistance and support, that is important. But those of you who are trading for seasonal trades, it does that setting really don't matter. It don't matter at all, because like you open up your trade, you scale it up, making sure your liquidation is low, and there you go, you wait. But if you're trading based on support and resistances, yeah, that is important. But anyways, now let's go right quick to my crypto bubbles and see how is everything performing today. Right here, crypto bubbles. So you guys can see them. For the past 1 hour, the market has beginning to pick up because today is Sunday. As you guys know, there's going to be a market opening, and there's going to be a lot of price action. Okay, there's going to be a lot of price action, so you gotta get ready for that if you're trying to make a little money. But what is important here is on the daily. Okay, look on the daily. The market is still down because the little pump that happened during the weekend, although I can't see it, I can't see if it is over or not. But if you ask me, I don't think it is over yet, because once the price action opens, once the markets open again, you're about to see volatility. Okay, so if you look at the coins that we are trading, let's go first with King Casper. Let's go Casper here. As you can see, guys, it's already starting to pick up again. Like I said, the opportunity is there. Look at it. For the past 1 hour, we're up 0.5%, 0.3% on the day, 4% on the week, 4.6% down on the month, and 377% up on the year. And then we're looking at, let's go Quant, QNT, Quant right here. Now, if you look here, for the past hour, we're up 0.8%. Okay, daily we are down 1.1%. On the week, we are up 12.8%. Wow. On the month, 5.4% down, and on the year, 31.6% down. Now, let's go look at Jasmine right quick. JAS, as you can see, again, yeah, we're still making moves. Let's go right here. Up 1.7% on the last hour, 1.6% down on the day, 9.5% up on the week, 21.2% down on the month, and 582% up on the year. Again, like I said, Jasmine, excuse me. Like I said, Jasmine, for me, I'm still a little bearish. We're still right there battling that 2.3 cents. We need to break above it for the full bullish momentum to return. Although right now we already know Jasmine, the news came out, and they're also joining the carbon credit. You know, every country right now, we're going to the greener world, and every company doing anything with that is about to blow. So like, yeah, Jasmine, they've already confirmed it with the Japanese government to be headed into the carbon credit. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm telling you guys, we might be looking at Jasmine this year at $1 or even higher above. The charts are screaming $3 or $4, but looking at the market cap and the use cases, I think Jasmine probably there at $1 or probably $2. But anyways, let's see how things play out, because as the market go up, as the bull run goes up, a lot of things also change. So let's see how things end up on Jasmine. Now, on Quant, I told you guys yesterday, you gotta pay attention with the RSI and the MACD on the weekly, guys. It is amazing. Okay, let me show you. It's better if I show you right quick. Right here, I showed you guys this yesterday, and this was something that I've been monitoring for the past months and months. Look at that. This is the RSI, and that is the MACD on the weekly. You see that, guys? It's already about to flip. Look at this. It is already about to flip, and once that flips, guys, Quant will run. And when I mean run, that thing will run crazy. It's already there. It's a matter of time, guys. Just a matter of time before this flips. The blue goes on the top and the red goes on the bottom. Okay, the good thing now, if you look at the this one has already flipped, and look at the numbers 57 and 39. That screams bullish, guys. So yeah, do not wait. Do not wait. Don't sit on the sideline, because that's now the time people start to make their money, guys. That's exactly what's happening. So now let's go look at trading view right quick. Trading views to see the price in a little bit of in details. Let's go here. There you go. I'm gonna start with Casper. I was looking at Bitcoin earlier, so that's why I left the chart up there. Start with Casper. Okay, we are going to start on the 4 hourly. Let me zoom out a little, and here we go. Not much has changed, okay, because I told you guys yesterday this was a major resistance. What does Casper always do? Breaks above, comes back down to retest the former resistance now as support. And again, two things here: the 200 moving average and this major resistance are now acting as support for Casper. So guys, the KRC20, again, I know I repeat myself about it a lot, but the KRC20, the announcements are already there that they're about to get released. So yeah, as you can see, look at the moving ribbon. It's already curving upwards, also serving as a support. So yeah, let me extend this line, because like again, this line right here has been acting as a support for the longest. As you can see, the price is going up, and you can also see something, okay, just by looking at it. You can see we are forming a bull flag, which means, see the pole, the flag, which is breaking out right now. And if you take the measurement from that to that, that will put Casper at that price discovery around that 22-23 cents. That's exactly what's happening right now. So most people still on in disbelief. I don't know what to tell you guys if you're still in disbelief, because Casper is breaking out. And I told you guys, for my short term, I'm expecting Casper to hit that 40 cents, 40 to 60 cents, depending on many things. Because it's a chain reaction happening right now. We do have the KRC20 coming in. Okay, KRC20, which will bring meme coins, stable coins, DeFi, whatever you want to call it, to there. That will bring the price start running. And I'm telling you guys, exchanges do not want to miss that action. Exchanges are going to start listing Casper. So Kraken has already made the announcement, but I think Binance and Coinbase are going to list it very, very soon. That's why I'm thinking once that listing chain reaction begins, you're about to see Casper at 60 cents or even $1 in the short term of upcoming months. You're about to see it. So yeah, do not wait. Here, my millionaire journey, we don't wait for price confirmation. We're setting our trades and we start going. Understand? Don't sit on the sideline and wait. It's not a good way to trade. You're going to miss a lot doing that. Anyways, now let's go back into trading view and check out Quant right quick. Quant, QNT. Okay, Quant on Binance there. Perfect. Quant is doing exactly as we predicted yesterday, and like I told you guys, okay, the $72 is a big resistance. I told you guys, go back and watch the videos. You remember I told you we are going to test it and use the ribbon, okay, as support. As you can see, the 200 moving average is playing just as we said. I told you guys price was supposed to come down to try to either get support on the ribbon or the 200 moving average. As you can see, price broke above. We tested that resistance at $72. Now you see we're right in the ribbon. I'm expecting this to do again is to go on retry, and hopefully by then the moving average should be facing up, and the ribbon, as you can see, is already curving upwards. Okay, it's already curving upwards, and we are going to break that $72 sooner than many people expect. So that is what I am expecting right now. If you go on the daily, what is happening here? Quant is forming a beautiful W pattern. Look at that. Beautiful W. That's one. That's two. The W has already broken out. Is retesting the top of that W right now. So if you want to draw the line, let's say a trend line from here, see, this way, or if you want to take it the other way, saying the wicks are that's where it's supposed to go. If you see that, it's forming a beautiful W, and that is, guys, the W will lead. The target for this W will be around here, around that $80 quant. That's where it's going to be about, and that happens to be another resistance, a little resistance that quant needs to break before we continue to the $85 resistance. Now look at the ribbon, guys. I always tell you guys, you have to look at the ribbon. The ribbon says a lot of information. Like a lot of people say you need a lot of indications for you to be able to tell where price is going to do. So far so good in this my millionaire journey. You guys have seen, I think I've been I've been almost 90 to 95% accurate on the price, except when there is a black swan event. Okay, I've been like that. Look at the ribbon. You've got to look at it. See how that ribbon is curving right there. This on the daily. Look at that ribbon. See how it's curving? Look at the moving average. So I think this thing is going to go up, and they're probably going to meet somewhere there at that 80 or $79. This, and then the price will start riding on the 200 moving average, and then we'll start going up. That's what I am expecting, and that's what the charts are screaming right now that is about to happen. So guys, gear up. I mean, like, your seatbelts. Put your seatbelts, because quant is about to take you to a ride you will never forget, guys. It's that simple. And again, I won't stop repeating myself. All these things you're looking at is just the beginning of something bigger. Zoom out. Zoom out, guys. All you have to do is zoom out, because when you zoom out, you will see that quant has been forming this symmetrical triangle ever since the all-time high to the all-time low of this bull market. As you can see, we've been forming it, touching top of the triangle, low of the triangle. Now we're about to start the leg up to go touch the top of the triangle. And guys, this time I think we're going to break it, and then price will go probably past that all-time high in a record time. Okay, so anyways, now let's go look at Jasmy right quick. Jasmy, JASMY. Oh, excuse me, JS on Binance. There you go. Again, Jasmy, I am still bearish short term until we go above that 2.3 cents. But if you look at it on the weekly, you can see the bullish flag being formed. Other people saying a falling wedge, which again is another bullish pattern. Okay, but let's go right quick. I'm interested in a lower time frame, because I need to see Jasmy break that 2.3 cents. Okay, so we tried before. Okay, for the past the weekend we did try. We tried. You see, we broke above it, got a magic rejection. Okay, got supported by a 200 moving average, and now we are trying again to go retry. Like I told you guys yesterday, this is what was going to happen. Look at the ribbon again, it's curving. So therefore I'm expecting Jasmy to ride the ribbon and go retry that 2.3 cents. That way it's been a headache, guys. This price action is a headache. But with the news that just came out, like I told you guys earlier, I believe this thing is about to break it either today or during this week sometime. So now look at it on the 4 hourly. Come on, 4 hourly right there. There you go. I'm going to move. Let's move a little bit this way. Now, on the 4 hourly, it's even much more interesting, because right now we do have that resistance, and we also have the 200 moving average also acting as a resistance. Now, you see the ribbon curving upsideward. So when Jasmy breaks this, it's going to be a monumental, like it's going to be so strong, so powerful. I think we are going to go to probably 3.3 or 3.4 cents, because this right here is a big resistance. And when a crypto or an asset breaks that kind of resistance, the price action usually be like very, very explosive, just like it happened here. When we broke that resistance, it broke. Look at how it shot up. So that's what I'm expecting to happen right here. Other than that, there is not much to be said on Jasmine. Okay, there's not much to be said on Jasmine. We're just sitting and be waiting. We're waiting to see how this price action breaks out. Like I said earlier, markets opens today, and you're about to see a lot of volatility going on in the space. So I'm expecting Jasmine, yeah, to take that 2.3 cents, break it sometime, probably today, because everything is gearing up for that big move. Okay, it's gearing up for it. But anyways, now, like I always said, it's an opportunity for you to 5x, 10x, or even 20x your money. But it only depends if you know what you are doing. Understand? Like we always say in this channel, if you know, it only depends if you know what you're doing. So I do not trading. Don't if you don't know what you're doing, just buy on spot. You're still gonna have enough money doing that, just like everybody else. Okay. But anyways, but if you do know, sign up. I do have the links below on Phemex and Bydfi. Sign up, follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. It don't really matter to me. All I care about is that you make money. That's what I care about. But anyways, now let's go look at our positions right quick, starting from my Phemex. Let's go to my Phemex position, which is right here. Oh, sorry, for my Bydfi. Sorry about that. Okay, overall, as you can see, okay, you had it. The market was taking a breather, and we're still here. We're down 11,800. So the market is taking a breather. Again, we're about to see this thing start to run because hey, everything is gearing up. You see that, for example, Ethereum has been taken off. So Ethereum has started to walk, Bitcoin will start to work, and then before you know it, everything else starts to run. Looking at my contracts, see that? I'm telling you guys, it's about to run because look at that. Bitcoin has also started to take off. Earlier it was around that $63,000, but it has started to go. But anyways, looking at my contract, my Casper, I am still up 13%, which is around $360. On my quant, I am still up 20%, which is around $1,500. Okay, again, this thing is about to go there. It's about to make big moves, guys. This is how you make your money. You want to get in there right now before the market takes off on the third gear. Right now, the bull run is just shifting to second gear. Okay, now let's go look at my trades on the Phemex. Phemex, right there. Let me sign in. So yesterday we were almost 17,000 something. Today we are down to 16,800 again. Tomorrow we're about to see this thing start to take off again, guys. This is just beautiful to see this thing go. If you guys remember, we were down what, $7,000-8,000. We are now 16,000. This is beautiful to see this thing starts to work, just like work its way up like this. Now looking at the contracts, we do have here Jasmine. Okay, like I said, my Jasmine, I'm still a little bit bearish. I'm still down -1%, which is $145 below. And my Casper, I am still up 8%, which is $450. Okay, I added another one today, which is Turbo, because like I said, Turbo, I'm just trying to make quick money out of it. Okay, it's not like it's gonna be a long-term trade, but I just the community, they are so bullish on something. I was looking on Twitter, so I want to use that momentum. So I put in $87, not much, as you can see, $87 right there, and I'm up right now 92%. Okay, which is around $81. So yeah, that's things that I do just to get some extra cash and probably use that to scale up my other trades. That's that on that. So, but yeah, Jasmine is the only one still a little bit bearish, but everything else has started to take off. Hopefully by today, we should see on the market opening to see how the price is going to react on the overall. Okay, here. So, guys, right now, unless you have a lot of money sitting on the side, you're not going to accumulate enough money to retire with the amount of coins that we mentioned. 10,000 Casper, 100,000 Jasmine, or 100 Quant. They will not make you enough money to retire. But what they will do, they will put a foot, give you an advantage. Bear market. That way you have enough money to, go on vacation, pay your house, your car, do whatever you want to do, and still have enough left. Okay? When I'm saying enough, I don't mean you spend everything and only keep 10%. No. All you have to do is like you spend and you keep anything above 50% of what you make in the bull run to be able to make that money. It's like if you keep that amount above 50%, you will have enough to buy coins that will put you into retirement for the 2029 2030 bull run. Okay, I hope my explanation was good enough because that's what we do here, guys. It's what we do. We're trying to make money, trying to leave this 9 to 5. Stop trading your time for a paycheck. You understand? Anyways, thank you for checking out my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, share the content so that other people, like-minded people like you and me, can see this and we can trade ideas. And also comments. I'd like to know your opinion about this particular subject. I will try to respond to as many as I can, all of your your comments. That being said, guys, I can't stress it enough. Be safe out there, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.